What up, digital slang? Today we're going to remove the plastic film screen protector on the inside display of the Z Fold 2. Now Samsung does recommend that you take this to one of their stores and have them do it professionally. However, I don't have any stores near me, so we're just going to go ahead and do it. I did remove the front film last night on the front display. Very easy to do, actually no issues at all. It just felt like one of those cheap plastic screen protectors you would put on yourself. The inside display I'm not so sure about, so we're gonna do it. Hopefully, well, let's hope for the best, right? I do have my iFixit gear here just in case I need anything, but let's just give it a go, man. Why not? Let's make this quick and short. So you can see here right above the cutout there is a bit of film there. It does come right up with this little fix-it tool. Let's try it again. It is coming up fairly nice. Now this is different. It's not like the front film that was on here. This kind of feels a little, I don't know, I don't want to say rubbery, but it's definitely not like the front display. But it is coming up pretty simple. No issues so far. And that's all she wrote. It is still very sticky on here. You can see it sticking to my finger, so it's not just, well, this sticks too, but this is cheap plastic on the front display, and this back display, totally different. This is kind of a protective covering on here. It's totally different than this cheap piece on the front display. So it does come off fairly easy, fairly simple, no issues whatsoever. That was the first time I did try it. So very easy to do, honestly, if you really want to just do it and not take it to Samsung. Again, I'm not saying you should. I do recommend you go to Samsung and have them do it just to be safe. But overall, very simple, very easy to use. Now, let's just clean this front display. And now it feels like glass. And I'm pretty excited about it. So, no more protector on the front. No more protection on the inside display. But it doesn't feel like plastic anymore either. So, that's it, guys. Just a really quick video showing that you can remove not only the front, but the inside film. Man, it almost feels like rubber. So you can remove it on your own if you really wanted to. Again, not saying you should, but you can if you really wanted to. That's it for the video, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.